Hello and welcome to my channel. Guess what? It is November and it is Thanksgiving time, one of my favorite times of the year. And you know, with Thanksgiving, everybody does a lot of cooking. They're in the kitchen doing all kinds of things. So I wanted to come out here today and make sure that you are prepared. And when I say prepared, I want to make sure that you have the right utensils and cookware and things like that in your kitchen to help you get through making your Thanksgiving dinner, your Christmas dinner, because Christmas is coming right up too. But that you have it in your kitchen for whatever dinner you're cooking, because you don't just use these utensils just for the holidays. But before we get into all of that, you know what I need you to do? That's right, go out there and hit that subscribe button. And then I'm gonna start showing you a couple things that you may need for your kitchen. Now, all of these things will have links down in the description too, so you can purchase them. That way you don't have to figure out where I gotta go to find it, you know? So let's start off with the first thing, and that is a roasting pan. For those of you who are cooking turkeys or hams or briskets, whatever it is you're gonna be putting in that roasting pan, you need a good one. And you know me, I use Viking cookware. So I have a Viking roasting pan. Let me show you. So here it is. Mine came with the carving set. I don't think it comes with that anymore. But however, here it is. It's beautiful. It is 16 by 13 by 3. So it is 16 by 13. 16 this way. 13 by 3 inches deep. So this is a pretty big one. And it has a Nonstick rack that goes in it, which is really good. So, you know, when you get finished with it, you just pull your meat right up out of there. You'll have that pan for those pan drippings. This one, I really like it because it's pretty. It has that mirror finish on it. It also has a unique handle that allows the roaster to fit into the ovens with ease. It minimizes space versus roasters with handles extended outward. As you can see, these handles go up. See? So it saves you some space in your oven. It's stainless steel. It weighs 10.3 pounds. So it's heavy. It's very sturdy, okay? So it is dishwasher safe, it's oven safe, and it works on all cooktops, including induction cooktops, okay? So if you have one of those induction cooktops, this will be perfect for that. But look at it, it's beautiful. And like I said, I'm gonna put the link down in my description for you, because right now it's only $149.95. which is a good price. This is a very good price for this. Remember, this is Viking, so that's a very good price for $149.99. Go down in the description and get you one. So another item I want to show you is my Ninja NeverStick Pro Belgian Waffle Maker. I did a review on this, so make sure you check out that video. But when the holidays come, we have guests, you know, come and stay with us. We want to cook breakfast for them, and what better way than to have waffles? Whether it's breakfast or brunch, you make some waffles, and they love it. I know I do. This has the vertical design where it stands up and which is very good for saving counter space. So instead of having to use all of this, you're basically just using a couple inches of counter space. You know, just slide it right in there if you want to keep it on your counter. Or even if you have it in a cabinet, you slide it in the cabinet like that, it's saving you a lot of space. Because it's vertical, look at this. You pour your mix right, your batter right in there. Look at that. So it just stands right up. Here are your settings. It has 5 settings. Of course, it comes with a cup and a chef-curated recipe guide, and it's in black and silver. And those of you who know me, my kitchen is black and silver, so this matches. And it's only $69.99. Look at that. It's only $69.99. So you got to get this for your guests, but when they're not there, you still have your waffle maker for yourself. So what happens is you open it up, and then once they're done, you just push that button to open it up and your waffles are there. I mean, it's so easy. You can't, you know, mess that up. You just pour your waffle mix right in there. You get 1-inch Belgian waffles. The interior is nonstick, so that's great. And because it's 1 inch, you make the Belgian waffles. I like the big, thick Belgian waffles. So this is a Belgian waffle maker, okay? So the link for this one will be in the description as well. And like I said, check out the review that I did for this. It's on another video, okay? It's called the Ninja NeverStick Pro Belgian Waffle Maker. So a lot of you guys have asked me, where did I get my pot holder from? Because it stacks up and all of that. I'll go show it to you in a minute. But I got it off of Amazon and I love it. So this is my pot holder, and as you can see, I'm missing a pot right here from my set, but it's in the dishwasher. And as you can see, of course, I use my Viking. But yeah, I love it. You can put it on your counter, you could put it in the cabinets, and I'm gonna show you how to get it on Amazon. The link will definitely be in the description. And the last thing I want to show you is this new meat thermometer. My God, I don't even have this thermometer, but I want it, which is why I want to show it to you guys. I'm getting this thermometer. It's a meat thermometer, but it has Bluetooth. So you actually put the thermometer into the meat. It's wireless, and you can look on your phone and see what the temperature of your food is. I love it. But for your turkey, imagine for Thanksgiving, you having this for your turkey. So you're using it in your oven, you're using it as a smoker, you're using it as a grill. I mean, when you're grilling, this is amazing, and I have to get it. So it has 1 probe and 2 sensors. And the good thing, it's only $69.99. And on Amazon, they have a $4 coupon right now. So definitely, I'm gonna put the link to this down in there. It's called the ThermoPro TempSpike 500 feet truly wireless meat thermometer. Okay, it's a Bluetooth digital meat thermometer. It's for grilling, smoking, barbecue oven smoker rotisseries, baking basically. So it's not baking, but I mean like if you're baking meat. So I gotta get this. Look at it on the phone. It's showing you on here how to use this. This is amazing. I could be in my room watching TV and see what temperature my turkey is on Thanksgiving. You know how you have to keep going and check that turkey. Well, I don't have to open the oven. I can leave it in there and just look on my phone and see what's going on. I love it, and I'm getting it. I hope that you do too. And last but not least, you are definitely going to need my cookbook entitled Levon's Kitchen, Learning to Cook with Love, so that you have all of your recipes for your Thanksgiving and your holiday dinners and for whatever comes after the holidays on your daily life. So make sure you get that. You can get that on my website. It's www.levonskitchen.com. And guess what? I'll see you guys next time in the kitchen. Bye.